Hi everyone, it's Alicia, and today I'm joined by Emily over at Seiko AI Polymers. Emily, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Good. So in today's video, we are talking about the coefficient of friction improvement using GT-300. So you have a presentation for us and some data that you're going to be talking about. So at this point, I'd like to just turn it right over to you.
Awesome, thanks. So like Alicia said, I'm going to be covering coefficient of friction and how it can aid in both extrusion molding and injection molding. On my first slide, I'm going to talk about silicone masterbatches in general. JavaChem is the leading silicone masterbatch producer in Asia, and their silicone masterbatch products are functionalized for better dispersion and reduced extrudation. Their products aid in ease of production and are consistent and globally commercial. GT-300 is in general cost competitive versus traditional silicone masterbatches, and a large market for GT-300 is for decreasing your coefficient of friction on extruded wire and injection molded parts. On the next slide, I'll talk some more specifics about extrusion. When you're extruding with GT-300, you get better and easier flow for ease of extrusion. It can decrease your head pressure and your die drool, so you get better quality product. And on installation of your final product, a decreased coefficient of friction makes for easier installation and long-term will improve the abrasion and wear resistance of your final product. On the next slide, I'll cover some injection molding advantages. GT-300 will reduce wear both on your machine and your final parts. And while doing injection molding, it can improve your mold release, and it will reduce or even eliminate a squeak where injection molded parts touch each other and move against each other. Long term, it will still improve your abrasion and wear resistance, and in production, it will aid in complete filling of the injection mold. On the following slide, I will look at some data that shows the coefficient of friction with different levels of GT-300. So this is looking at a thermoplastic with 0% GT-300, 1.5% GT-300, and 3% GT-300. And it shows how your coefficient of friction will trend downward. On the next slide, we have some similar data from a different thermoplastic, and it shows the same trend. We only go up to 3% because that is a standard amount that you would use, and you generally wouldn't add more during production. So this gives you a pretty good view of how adding GT-300 will affect your process. If you have any more questions or are interested in this product, you can contact Mike McCormick, Cosmo Carpegna, or Dale Zavotek.
And if you're watching this video and that sounds like something you're looking for, you're wanting to get in contact with Seiko AI Polymers, you can do so by giving them a call. You can also send an email to one of those emails we mentioned or to sales@seikoai.com, and make sure that you're exploring the website a little bit to learn more. Thanks again, Emily.
Thank you.